the room is getting out of hand. Not in a quirky collector way, in a this is how villains are born way. I need to work in here, I need to think in here, and currently I can't see the wood for the forest of plastic staring back at me like it pays rent. Nothing says I'm regaining control of my life like bulk, buying comic book bags and industrial plastic tubs. But hear me out. Comic book bags are designed to preserve paper ink print history. So if they're safe enough for a first printing, they're safe enough to wrap a robot man in ergo. This is science, wrap the figures, tub them up, rinse and repeat. We're not decluttering, we're strategically retreating. And while we're here, it's rotation season. Behold, yes, this should be my kryptonite, and yet I am a complex man. I adore this set of Constructicons. Even if the dust layer suggests I've loved them from a distance recently. Also, whoever said in the comments fill the lower shelves with titans, take a bow, son! This is the way! Lower center of gravity, maximum presence, zero wasted space. We're thinking now, we're evolving. Adding more glass shelves has genuinely changed the game too. The viewing angles are better, less dead space, more museum, less hoarder with lighting. But then, a decision. Look at this absolute perfection of shelf geometry. N64 games fit exactly under here. Like the universe wanted this. Like Miyamoto himself designed my shelving layout. This is happening. Unfortunately, that means the House of Deadpool has to vacate the premises. The Hot Toys stay, they've earned it, but Master Chief, my brother in green, this is goodbye for now. We'll meet again, probably when I forget where I stored you. I'm very fond of this Japanese-centric shelf too. Star Saber will be getting re-stickered soon. We restore kings properly around here, and this is the story so far. Shelves are looking strong, lines are cleaner, the chaos is becoming curated. I still want a small screen in here, looping G1 episodes in the background, pure ambience, pure serotonin. That dank, shadowy corner still needs tackling. Every room has one. Every mind has one. But we are winning. Slowly. And in this hobby, slowly is still a victory.